this video, I will show you how to join Wise Referral Program. So it's pretty simple. You just need to open up your Wise, make sure you're logged in, and then go to the Home tab, and then you need to click on this Earn 90 euro or something equivalent to that at the top right. And once you do that, you will see this Share Wise and earn 90 euros or something equivalent to that in a different currency. And what you need to do for this is pretty simple. To join this program, you simply need to go to your link and then just copy that to your clipboard and then just send it to someone you like. Or you can just click on Share Wise all the way at the bottom and then share it directly with a friend. And how does the process work to join the referral program itself and to claim the rewards? Well, that is pretty easy, and I will just go through all of these steps. So first of all, you will get a reward for every 3 friends who sign up with your unique link, and you can track their progress anytime. So your friends will get to pick their Wise reward, and that is a free transfer up to 500 euro or a card if that's available in their region. And then you can earn 90 euros by tracking their progress, because once all 3 friends make payments of 250 euro or more, then you can claim your reward. So this is some important information as well. So again, each of your friends will need to transfer and or spend on a Wise card at least 250 euro or equivalent, and this total can be reached over multiple transactions. And same currency transfers do not count, and ATM withdrawals, gambling, crypto, and some other payments don't count either. So once you do all of these things, then you will in the end claim your reward, and this is how you join the referral program at this moment. So thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel.